Hello and welcome back to my channel. For everyone who's new, I'm the Vegan Bossa. Sometimes I come back from my job and I feel very tired and I don't feel like cooking. But still, I want a comfortable and healthy dish. I am sure that you have been there too. Today's recipe is dedicated to these days when we feel tired and we don't feel like cooking, because it's simple, easy, healthy. It requires just 15 minutes in kitchen and it's ready. This recipe is a traditional recipe of southern Italy, and as you know, this channel is all about Mediterranean and Italian recipes veganized. So if you like videos like this, please be sure to subscribe and ring that bell for all the notifications. And now let's prepare the recipe. As first step for this recipe, we are gonna bring a large pot of water to a boil. We are gonna use a large pot because spaghetti needs space to get boiled. We are gonna add 1 tablespoon of large crystal sea salt to the water. Meanwhile, we are gonna prepare all the ingredients for the sauce. We are gonna take 1 garlic clove. First, I'm gonna crush it because it becomes easier to peel it and releases all the oils, and then I'm gonna cut it in 4 pieces. Then we are gonna take 1 red chili pepper, 1 pepperoncino. I'm gonna use the fresh one, but you at home can use also the chili flakes. Then we're gonna take the zest and juice of 1 lemon. A very important tip here is to zest only the yellow part of the lemon peel and not the white pith, because it has a bitter flavor and should be avoided. We're gonna juice the same lemon that we have zested. It is enough for 2 portions of pasta. Then we're gonna take a handful of fresh parsley and we're gonna chop it. Meanwhile, the water has boiled and we are gonna add the pasta. I'm using here spaghetti, or you can use also linguine. Use a spaghetti folder clip and with slow circular motions, push the pasta inside the pot. Meanwhile, our pasta is boiling. Take a saucepan and start preparing the sauce. Pour some olive oil, the garlic cloves and the chili pepper. We are gonna cook the garlic and the pepper for 2 minutes over medium heat. This way the flavor of the garlic will mellow into the dish. Then we are gonna take the garlic out because we don't need too much garlic flavor into this dish. We are gonna add 1 cup of oat cream, but if you don't have this one, you can do it by your own at home with just a handful of cashews and a glass of water into a blender for 3 to 4 minutes and you will have a wonderful cream. Then we are gonna add the lemon juice, a pinch of salt and the lemon zest. Stir all the ingredients until well combined and let them simmer for 5 to 10 minutes over medium flame. When the sauce will become creamy, we are gonna add the cooked spaghetti. Please read well the instruction into the spaghetti box and don't overcook the spaghettis. Then we are gonna mix the spaghettis well with the sauce until the sauce is well incorporated into the spaghetti. And the spaghetti are finally ready. This dish is simple and very elegant at the same time. And before serving, for more lemon flavor, you can decorate it with some lemon zest and some fresh chopped parsley. And enjoy it! Sorry guys, couldn't wait. They are so wonderful and tasty. Thank you for watching and see you the next time.